Today I am testing Mode EA version 2.0. Currency symbol is GBP USD and testing duration is 8 months. Period is M5 and spread is 20. Now open expert properties. I am using default settings. Mode EA is also a Martingale EA. Should we use in trading or not? Let's check the back testing results. Click OK. Now press the start button. Now open the graph tab and watch the performance of this expert advisor. This expert advisor is a Martingale EA, and you can see that the expert advisor has a big loss within 15 days. It has a big drawdown of 55.61% and total net loss is 2735.71. Because this EA based on Martingale strategy, therefore it is very risky to use in live trading. Therefore be careful. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.